Your computer was working normally. Then one day, you press the power button and nothing happens. There are no lights, no fans, no sounds, and no picture on the screen. Before assuming the computer is completely dead, let us diagnose the problem using the STAR method. The situation is simple. The computer is receiving a request to start, but it is showing no visible response. Now look at your computer. Press the power button once. Do you see any lights? Do you hear a fan? Does anything happen at all? Do you have this problem? Your task is to determine whether electricity is reaching the computer and whether the power button is successfully starting the system. Start with the easiest test. Check that the power cable is firmly connected to the computer and the wall outlet. If the computer uses a power strip, make sure the strip is turned on. Test the wall outlet with another device, such as a lamp or phone charger. Desktop computers may have a small power switch on the back, near the power cable. Make sure that switch is turned on. For a laptop, disconnect the charger, wait 30 seconds, reconnect it, and look for a charging light. If the battery is removable, remove it, connect the charger, and try starting the laptop using wall power only. If you see lights or hear fans, but the computer still does not fully start, the problem may not be the power source. It could involve the display, memory, motherboard, or another internal component. If absolutely nothing happens after testing another outlet and checking every connection, the power adapter or power supply may have failed. Never open the metal power supply inside a desktop computer. It can retain dangerous electrical energy even when unplugged. Here's the result. If another outlet or cable fixes the problem, the computer itself may be fine. If a laptop works with the charger, but not the battery may need replacement. If the computer receives no power after every external check, the charger, power supply, power button, or motherboard may require professional testing. Follow 1 Week Hero for the next hardware diagnostic.